Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best staple guns for woodworking. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned woodworker, having the right staple gun can make a world of difference in your projects. We'll be looking at the pros and cons of each model to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ValueMax V024005A staple gun for woodworking. The ValueMax V024005, a staple gun, is a versatile tool designed for woodworking and general household tasks. This light-duty manual stapler comes with a set of 1,600 staples, making it a practical choice for various projects. Here's a detailed examination of its pros and cons. Pros. Cost-effective, the ValueMax V024005 offers a budget-friendly option for those needing a reliable staple gun without breaking the bank. It includes a generous supply of 1,600 staples, adding value to the purchase. Ease of use as a manual staple gun, it is straightforward to operate. It doesn't require electricity or batteries, making it convenient for quick, on-the-go tasks. The hand tool design is user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users. Versatile applications, this staple gun is ideal for a range of light-duty tasks, including woodworking, crafting, and general household repairs. Its adaptability makes it a useful tool for various projects around the home. Included staples, the package comes with 1,600 staples, allowing users to start working on their projects immediately without needing to purchase additional supplies right away. Durable construction, the staple gun is built to withstand regular use. Its durable design ensures that it can handle a variety of materials and withstand the pressures of frequent stapling. Cons. Limited to light duty, as a light-duty staple gun, the ValueMax V024005 may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks or materials that require more force. It is best used for smaller projects rather than intensive, large-scale tasks. The ValueMax V024005, a staple gun, offers a practical and cost-effective solution for light-duty stapling tasks. Its ease of use, versatile applications, and included staples make it a convenient choice for woodworking and household projects. However, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks and requires manual effort, which could be a drawback for some users. Overall, it is a solid choice for those needing a reliable and affordable staple gun for everyday use. Coming in at number 4, we have the Ezarc A3SG1001 staple gun for woodworking. The Ezarc A3SG1001 staple gun is designed for a range of applications, from upholstery to woodworking. This lightweight and compact tool is equipped with features that aim to make stapling tasks easier and more efficient. Below is an in-depth look at the pros and cons of this staple gun. Pros. Comprehensive kit. The Ezarc A3SG1001 comes with a complete set, including a staple remover and 1,000 JT21 staples. This provides excellent value and ensures you have the necessary tools and supplies to start your projects immediately. Handle lock. The handle lock feature makes the staple gun easy to store and transport. It fits conveniently into narrow spaces or a tool pouch, which is particularly useful for maintaining a tidy workspace and enhancing portability. Ergonomic design. The stapler's ergonomically curved handle is designed to provide a comfortable, non-slip grip. This enhances control and reduces hand fatigue, making it easier to use for extended periods. Lightweight and compact. At just 5.1 Oz, this staple gun is lightweight and compact. The use of high-quality ABS plastics ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight, making it a good choice for users who need a tool that is easy to handle. Powerful performance. The internal metal structure provides strong stapling power, making it effective for a range of materials. This feature is especially valuable for tasks that require a bit more force to secure staples firmly. Easy staple loading. The innovative bottom staple magazine and rails simplify the loading process. This feature saves time and minimizes frustration associated with reloading staples. Versatile applications. The staple gun is suitable for a variety of tasks, including DIY projects, decoration, crafts, and upholstery. It handles screens, curtains, insulation, and other medium-strength materials efficiently. Cons. Ergonomic design variability. The ergonomic handle may not suit everyone's hand size or grip preference. Users with different ergonomic needs might find the handle less comfortable compared to other designs. The Ezarc A3SG1001 staple gun is a versatile and user-friendly tool suitable for a range of light to medium-duty tasks. Its lightweight and compact design, combined with ergonomic features and easy loading, make it a practical choice for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. However, its limitations in staple size compatibility and the need to remove staples before locking may be drawbacks for some users. Overall, it offers a good balance of performance and convenience for various stapling needs. At number 3, the Shell SH131002 staple gun for woodworking. The Shell SH131002 staple gun is a versatile tool designed for a range of woodworking and upholstery tasks. With features aimed at improving user comfort and ease of use, this staple gun is positioned as a practical choice for various projects. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of the Shell SH131002. Pros. Ergonomic design. The wide rubber handle is ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable grip. This reduces hand strain and makes the stapler easier to squeeze compared to ordinary light-duty staple guns, enhancing user comfort during extended use. Handle lock. The handle lock feature allows for compact storage, making it easy to fit the stapler into narrow spaces or a tool pouch. This is particularly useful for maintaining a tidy workspace and improving portability. Lightweight. Compact. At just 6.5 Oz, the stapler is lightweight and compact. Its design minimizes user soreness from prolonged use, making it a practical choice for tasks that require extended stapling sessions. Easy loading. The innovative bottom staple magazine and rails facilitate faster and easier staple loading. This feature saves time and reduces frustration associated with reloading staples. Wide application. The stapler is versatile and suitable for a variety of projects, including DIY, decoration, crafts, and upholstery. It works well with materials such as screens, curtains, closet linings, insulation, wire mesh, carpet, and canvas. Cons. Ergonomic variability. The ergonomic design may not suit everyone's hand size or grip preference. Users with different ergonomic needs might find the handle less comfortable compared to other designs. The Shell SH131002 staple gun offers a range of features aimed at improving comfort and efficiency for light-duty stapling tasks. Its ergonomic design, lightweight construction, and easy loading system make it a practical choice for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. However, its limitations in handling heavy-duty tasks and its plastic construction might be drawbacks for some users. Overall, the Shell SH131002 is a solid choice for those seeking a comfortable and versatile staple gun for a variety of projects. In the second spot, we have the Tolesa A7SG1001 staple gun for woodworking. The Tolesa A7SG1001 staple gun is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for a range of home improvement and DIY projects. With features aimed at both casual users and hobbyists, this staple gun is positioned as a practical option for various applications. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of the Tolesa A7SG1001. Pros. Family-friendly and gift-worthy. The Tolesa A7SG1001 is marketed as a perfect tool for family projects and home use. It's an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts who want to involve loved ones in decorating and repair tasks. It also makes for a thoughtful and practical gift for those interested in home improvement. Versatile staple compatibility. The staple gun is compatible with JT21 staples and comes with a generous supply of 1,200 staples in various lengths. This versatility allows users to handle different materials and thicknesses with ease. DI woodworking friendly. Equipped with a high-density spring-back impact device, this staple gun offers powerful and stable performance. It's designed to handle softwood and provides reliable holding power, making it a favorite among dyers and crafters. Lightweight and easy to use. The Tolesa A7SG1001 is lightweight and features an ergonomic grip, reducing hand fatigue and making it easy for users of all ages and skill levels to operate. It's especially beneficial for those with limited grip strength or joint issues. Multi-purpose functionality. This staple gun is versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications, including upholstery, carpentry, home repair, decorating crafts, and more. Its ability to handle various tasks makes it a practical tool for many home projects. Cons. Staple length adjustment. The staple gun requires users to adjust the staple length if it doesn't fully penetrate the surface. This might be inconvenient for those who frequently switch between different staple lengths. The Tolesa A7SG1001 staple gun is a versatile and user-friendly tool that excels in home improvement and DIY projects. Its lightweight design, ergonomic grip, and versatile staple compatibility make it an excellent choice for a range of tasks. However, its light-duty construction and specific staple size compatibility may limit its use for more demanding projects. Overall, the Tolesa A7SG1001 is a reliable and practical staple gun for those seeking a functional tool for various home and craft projects. And finally, at number 1, we have the ValueMax V024004 as staple gun for woodworking. The ValueMax V024004 as staple gun is a versatile and heavy-duty tool designed for a range of woodworking and DIY projects. It comes equipped with a significant number of staples, making it a practical choice for various applications. Here's a comprehensive look at the pros and cons of this staple gun. Pros. Heavy-duty performance. The ValueMax V024004 as is designed for heavy-duty tasks, making it suitable for working with tough materials and demanding projects. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and reliable performance. 3-in-1 functionality. This staple gun offers versatile functionality by combining 3 tools in one. It can be used as a manual nail gun, staple gun, and upholstery stapler. This multifunctionality makes it a practical choice for a variety of applications, from furniture assembly to home DIY projects. Large staple supply. The inclusion of 3,000 staples is a significant advantage. This large supply reduces the need for frequent reloading, allowing users to complete their projects more efficiently without interruptions. Versatile applications. Whether you're working on wood furniture, upholstery, or other DIY projects, the ValueMax V024004 as is designed to handle a range of materials. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for various tasks around the home or workshop. Cost-effective. Given its heavy-duty construction and large staple supply, the ValueMax V024004 as offers good value for the price. It provides a cost-effective solution for users who need a reliable and versatile staple gun without breaking the bank. Cons. Bulkiness. The heavy-duty design and large staple supply contribute to a bulkier and heavier tool. This might make it less comfortable to handle for extended periods, particularly for users who require a more lightweight and compact option. The ValueMax V024004 as staple gun stands out as a versatile and heavy-duty tool suitable for a wide range of woodworking and DIY projects. Its 3-in-1 functionality and large staple supply make it a practical choice for users who need a reliable tool for various applications. However, its manual operation, bulkiness, and specific staple size compatibility might limit its appeal for some users. Overall, the ValueMax V024004 as offers good value and performance for those seeking a robust and multifunctional staple gun.